been working both with Joe and Safety Made Simple for, like, say, it's got to be going on 10 years. We had a safety program before we started with Safety Made Simple, not real robust, but a safety program. And our previous safety director recommended that we use Safety Made Simple, and we started it, and it has developed our whole training program, both for onboarding and annual training and special training too. And it's been really upped our the level of our safety program. I think it helps our upper management, because they know what has been said, what has been trained, and that as they've reviewed it, they know all the gaps are filled. And all the managers are the same. We have a monthly scorecard of our safety, and Safety Made Simple is one of the big parts of it. Every person, every operation guy has to complete it. There's no forgiveness after a year, or if they think they aren't going to do it, they have to do it. And so they've learned over years, you aren't going to get away with it by just saying you're busy, you can't do it. And I truly think to make sure all those lessons are repeated, as I said, the repetition, I think has really made our safety program a lot better.